Hello, welcome all to solve this problem, which is 4 raised to power a equals 120 and a is equal to what? So solution, 4 raised to power a is equal to 120. Taking log both sides, log 4 raised to power a equals log 120. Now we know that log m raised to the power n can be written as n log m. Using this, it becomes a log 4 equals log 120. Now 120 can be written as 4 cross 30, 4 multiplied by 30. So it becomes a log 4 equals log 4 cross 30. Now log a cross b equals log a plus log b. So using this, our equation become a log 4 equals log 4 plus log 30. Now we will cancel this log 4. So dividing both sides by log 4. So it become a log 4 upon log 4 over log 4 upon log 4 over log 30 over log 4. Now this log 4 and log 4 cancel out, we get 1. And this log 4 upon log 4 cancel out, we get 1. So the equation become a equals 1 plus log 30 over log 4. Now 30 can be written as 2 cross 15. So the equation become a equals 1 plus log 2 cross 15 and log 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2. So it become a equals 1 plus log 2 plus log 15 over log 2 square, but this can be written as 2 log 2. So we will write 2 log 2. So now equation become a equals 1 plus, now separating this denominator to both numerator. So it become 1 plus log 2 over 2 log 2 plus log 15 over 2 log 2. Now it can also be written as a equals 1 plus 1 over 2 cross log 2 over log 2, taking this 1 upon 2 out, and again we will take the here 1 upon 2 out. So it becomes 1 upon 2 bracket log 15 over log 2. So now it becomes a equals 1 plus this log over 2, log 2 over log 2 cancel out. So 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 over log 15 can be written as log 3 cross 5 over log 2. So now a equals 1 plus 1 by 2 equals 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cross log 3 cross 5 can be written as log 3 plus log 5 over log 2. So now moving forward, a equals 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 bracket log 3 over log 2 plus log 5 over log 2, or a equals 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 bracket. Now we have a formula that log a over log b equals log a to the base b. So using this, it will log 3 over log 2 become log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 over log 2 become log 5 to base 2. So now become a equals 3 by 2 plus 1, or simply log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 over 2. Now on addition, it become a equals 3 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 over 2. So this is our final value of a. Now let's check it. Our equation was 4 raised to power a equals 120. Putting the value of a become 4 raised to power 3 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 over 2 equals 120. Now 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 over this bracket 3 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 over 2 equals 120. Now this 2 and this 2, here it's 2, so these 2 and these 2 cancel out. So the equation now become 2 power 3 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 equals 120. Now we know that a raised to power m plus n can be written as a raised to power m dot a raised to power n. So using this same in the equation, it become 2 power 3 dot 2 raised to power log 3 to base 2 dot 2 raised to power log 5 to base 2 equals, sorry, it's not equal, it's actually in the question mark. This question mark. So it will come is it equal to 120? Now 2 raised to power 3 equals 8 times this can be written as 3, because a raised to the power log b over base a can be written as b. So it becomes 3 and it will become 5. And is it equal to 120? Now 24 times 5, is it equal to 120? 120 equals 120. Hence our value of true is value of a is equal to 3 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 over. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.